Hi there. Welcome to AI with Oscar. So today we're gonna discuss how to download Visual Studio Code. What is Visual Studio Code first? Visual Studio Code is the most widely used IDE in the world, at least in the machine learning and web development community. So I will highly encourage that you use Visual Studio Code. Now, I cannot stop you from using other ideas like PyCharm, which is one of the best as well, or Spider. But for the best experience, I will highly recommend Visual Studio Code. That's what I use on a daily basis. So how do you get it? You just have to go there, depending on the kind of operating system that you have. You can if you have a Mac, you're gonna have to download the Mac version. For Windows, the Windows version, and so on. So I'm with Windows, so I'm just gonna, and this the web is able to find out what operating system. That's why it's automatically for Windows. You can download from this button here. I already did it, and I already have Visual Studio Code. Let me actually close this tab. Once you download Visual Studio Code, you're gonna see this exe file here. Let me see. Yeah, this exe file here. All you have to do is double click on it. Once you double click on it, you accept, and then you select all these 4 buttons. It's up to you if you want to click on the Create Desktop icon, and then it's pretty easy. From there, you just have to follow the prompt and hit install, and it's going to install it from on your desktop. Now, one thing I will do, there are 2 ways to open Visual Studio Code. The first way is to type search the command line. So type CMD in your search, and you're gonna get to this window here. Now, depending on where I want to do my work, assuming I want to do some lane chain work, okay, so I'm gonna have to copy the path and change directory, that stands for CD, and then paste the path, and I'm there. And from here, all I have to do is type code space dots, and that will launch my Visual Studio Code. You can see all the documents that I can use under this folder. Okay, so that's one way of using Visual Studio Code. The second way of using Visual Studio Code is just to type in the search Visual Studio Code, and it's going to appear. I was able to see that, but it's going to appear here. You just click there. It's going to open a page. Say for instance, I wanted to access another folder. Well, I will have to go to File, Open Folder, and then whatever folder you want to use, it's really up to you. If I want to use D3 Learning, for example, I will have to click that folder, and it will take me directly to D3. So that's how it works, and I hope it wasn't too hard for you to follow the instruction of downloading Visual Studio Code, whether you're using doing web development or machine learning and AI. This is what I would recommend. If you have any question or any trouble downloading or installing Visual Studio Code, please reach out to me and I will help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe so you can see the latest and greatest video about AI, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you.